The question number one is find the area of the following figures. So if you have to find the area of the following figures, first two figures are rectangle, the C is a square. Square are the same sides. That is the external sides, and you can find the area by multiplying length and breadth. You will have the area of that diagram. Okay. So in the first question, you have to find the area in the first A, and then area is the 20 centimeter and the 30 centimeter. What is length and what is breadth here? Okay, so the area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. What is length? Length is 30 meter and the breadth is 20 meter. I just have to put the values that will be equal to, yes. Okay, just give me a minute. Yes. So length multiplied by breadth, 30 multiplied by 20 will give you the answer 600 square meter. Okay. Then the next one. Are you done with this? Okay, put it. Now the next question, that is the B part. In the B part, we have 50 into 25 centimeter. And the area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. What is length here? Length is 50. Breadth is 25 now. Yes. Yeah, 50 and 25. The answer will be 1250 square meter. Okay. Now the C part, Aryan, that is a square. We have a square. And then square is the same sides, length as well same, breadth as well the same. Area is equal to length multiplied by breadth, and that will be 40 multiplied by 40. Answer will be 1600 square meter. Okay. So the question number two, Aryan. Find the length of the side of the following squares given the area. So the area is 225 square meters, and then we have the area. You have to find the length of the side of the following squares. 1250 square meters. Here, yes, 1250. And then next, yes, yes. No, why 40 into 4? 40 into 40, Aryan. Yes. Now the question number two. No. Okay, the question number two says find the length of the side of the following squares given the area. Area is given, you have to find the length of the side of the following squares. So the what is the formula for the length, Aryan? For the square. This is the second part. For the area of square, that is L multiplied by L, no? At multiplied by breadth. So they both are same. So we can say like 2L is equal to area by multiplying both of them. No, 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 no. That will become scale, Aryan. That will become scale. Yes. Then I have to put the value of area. Okay, L square is equal to 225. We have to put under root on both sides, square root on both sides, and then 225. What will be the under root? You have to make a prime factorization, then you will have your answer. Yes. No. You have to do the prime factorization of 225 like this. This one. Yes. So you have to follow the each step until you get the answer. Then you have to make a square root. You will have your answer. So I think we have to start from 3. 7s are 21. Okay. And then 1 carry here. 3 5s are 15. Now 75. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. Now 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. Now I will, yes. So I will write L square here. That will be cancelled out, na? Then I have to put it like 3 square multiplied by 5 square. And square will be cancelled out. Then L is equal to 3 multiplied by 5. And then now the length, if the area is given, I have found the area of, I have found the length of the square whose area is 225. This is the final answer. Did you get it how we have to solve this? First, you have to make that is the value of area. Then that will be the square of L because on the both side length is same L square. Then put the value of area, take a square root on both sides, and take a prime factorization of that value that is under square root. And by cancel that scaling number, you will have your answer. Try to do the B part, Aryan. 15. No, no, how we have to write it then? With the unit, with the unit. That is length, na? That is length, Aryan. It will be in meter. Yes. Now, now you have to do the next part. Question number 2, B part. Not that much long. Put it in the LCM and HCF. Probably. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. And then you have to make a prime fraction of 81, and then you will have a scale of that number. You have to cancel that scale with under root. You will have your length. 4 times. 3 multiplied by 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. 9 nines are 81. Yes, 81 has a prime factorization. And under this, you have to make a square and then whole square and then cancel out. 3 threes are 9. So the answer will be 9. 9. And you have to find here. Yes. And then answer will be in centimeter. Centimeter. Millimeter. Sorry, millimeter. In the millimeter. In the, yes, that is millimeter. Now to try to do the question number 3 around. Find the length of the other side of the rectangle given the area and one of its side. Area is given, side is given, you have to find the length. Okay. I will solve the A1, you have to solve the B1. So in the find the length of the other side of a rectangle given the area on the one side. So basically you just have to rearrange the formula first. In the question number 3A part, that is area is equal to length multiplied by breadth, is it? And we have to make length, but there is a no breadth here. There is no breadth here. You can name that breadth as a side. You can say this breadth is equal to side here. Okay, breadth is side here. I will mention it area is equal to L multiplied by S. Now, okay, I have to separate the L here, then A by S, like this one. Okay, side is given, Aryan. Side is given. Look at the question. The question side is given. Okay, now I have to put the area. Area is 6,750 square meter. And then side is 75 meter. No, by multiplying both of them, answer. Dividing, my bad, dividing. That is 90 meters. Because length, and we have to count in meters, then it's 90 meters. The final answer. Okay. For the length and the breadth of a room are 6 meter and the 4 meter respectively. They didn't mention separately. We know that the length is 6 meter and the breadth is 4 meter respectively. How many square meters of a carpet are required to completely cover the room floor of the room? So it's mean that our room is like the shape of rectangle and we want to measure this area of the room, so that way we can buy a perfect carpet that will fit in our room. If the carpet costs 250 per square, so the carpet is like you have to buy the carpet according to the sequence. So if you have to buy the cloth for your own or maybe your sister, that will be a measurement. Okay. For if you want to the carpet, like you want a carpet for your whole floor, or maybe the rug, or maybe the short, or maybe the larger, then for the per meter they ask the question per scale. For example, one scale, if we our rectangle is made up of tiny squares, na, so it's mean that our room is made up of tiny scale. If the one scale cost 250, there will be a lot of squares. So if you find the area, you have to multiply that area with the per cost price, then you will have the total cost of the whole room carpet. Okay. And before starting this, we have to put the each and everything statement, then we will start. This is 16 point. 2. Question number 3. Sorry, question number 4. Okay, so the question number 4 is first length. Mention each and everything. Okay, length is 6 meter, breadth B is 4 meter. Okay, and we have to find the how many square meters of carpet are required to completely cover the floor of the room. So we have to find area. First, we have to find the area, na area of the room. Oh, no, Aryan, first we have to write the formula. L multiplied by B. Value will be put it 6 multiplied by 4, and answer will be. And what will be the unit for the area, Aryan? Very good. Square meters. Now, this is the area. And the next thing. Next thing is carpet cost. Carpet cost is 240 per square meter. And then we have to find the total cost. Now, total cost is the price, the total, the area for the, okay, the carpet will be 24 square meter, and you have to multiply with the per cost 240, and then answer will be 5760 total cost. Okay, so this is this is also the answer. This is the total cost, and you we also find this is also the area. Okay, two answers. Did you understood, Aryan? Good. Can I start the next question now? At the last, I will give you time. You can write them. Okay. Right now, you have to understand only. You don't have to write anything. So the next question is, Aryan, read the next question and explain. And they also give you the hint. Find the length of the inner square. So length of the field is 60 meter. Is it? And they inside the square garden of the side is 158 meter. What will be the one? What is 158 here? So the outer, no, that is the inside of square garden of the side is 158, and the road width is 4 meter. If road wide, na, that is the width. And what is the area of remaining part of the garden? We have to find the area of inner square. Inner square, na. So area of inner square, you just have first you have to inner square and then outer square. Do we have any formula in which they mention about the inner and the outer? I think they do. Yes, they do in this one. Look here. This is they give you the interior and the exterior region. Yes. I think the term area refers to the measure of total interior region. So here they didn't give any formula in which they mention area of total internal and external region. They didn't. They didn't, no? Okay, so here I will give you the formula. If we will get the correct answer, this means this is a perfect thing. Okay, if they didn't, you have to revise this. Remember this. So the step one is find the side of the inner square. We have to find the question is Inside Inside a square garden of side 158 meter, a road 4 meter wide is built all around. What is the area of the remaining part of the garden? Hint, find the length of inner square. They gave you the outer square, they gave you the width, and we have to find the another length as well. So the step one, we have to find the side length of inner square, the part inside the road. The road is 4 meters wide on the each side. So first we have to subtract 4 meters from each side of the square. Okay, 4 and then subtracted by 4, double subtracted by 4, because that is the inner side and we have to subtract it. The question is you have to subtract 4 meters from each side of square. This is square. Length and breadth is same. You have to subtract it 158 once and 158 again, and calculate the area of outer square garden including the road. Outer area 158 multiplied by 158. We have to find the area of the square. Length and breadth will be multiplied. You will have your answer. And after that, let me do it. I'm just explaining. Let me do it here. This is a question number 5. Okay. First is the road is 4 meters wide. Road breadth is 4 meters. Okay. So the we have to subtract 4 with each side. Subtract 4 with each side. Okay. Inner. Inner side length. Then it will be like this: 158 minus 4 minus 4, like this, Aryan. And then you will have 150 meters. Okay. So calculate the area of outer. You don't have to write anything, Aryan. Just understand. Okay. You don't write anything. You have to find. Yes. Yes. So area of outer square. So area of outer is 158 on both sides. Outer is 158, Aryan, on both sides. Multiply both and give me the answer. Aryan, it will be 24,964. This is the answer. Okay, this is the outer. I have to write it. This is outer area. Now we have to calculate the area of inner square. Okay, inner area. Inner area. How much inner area? Inner area I get 150. I have to multiply. This is a square. 22,500, Aryan, square meters. Now find the area of remaining part, the road area. Okay. So I think it will be area of, yes, very good. Remaining part is, first you have to write it outer area subtracted with inner area. You know this. 29 24,964 minus 22500. Answer will be 2464 square meters. This is the answer. Even you can check it. So the area of the remaining part of the garden is 2464.